Hello, grade 1, grade 2 students. Welcome in your science lesson. As you all know that this is your 20th week and today is the first day of your 20th week, right? And which lesson is this? Yes, you are in your science class, right? All right. Now, before starting, I would like to tell you something that in this week we are going to start a new topic, right? And the name of that topic and the name of that unit is, that as you can all see on my whiteboard, it's written there, it's material. What is the topic? Material. Have you ever heard the name of material? Yes. Can you tell me what is material? What do you mean by material? You see, material is the matter of which different objects or different things are made or they can be made. It's a matter of which different objects, different materials, they are of different things they are made up of. Do you understand? Right? Can you name few objects and the material which is used in that object? Okay. Do you have a school bag? Right? So what's the material which is used in making that school bag? Can you guess? It's a material, it's a cloth. You can say it's a cloth, right? But sometimes your school, you have school bags which are of leather. So leather is one material. Okay, what is it? Leather. Leather is one type of a material. Okay, now I'll show you few things and you are going to guess the material. Okay, now what is this I'm holding in my hand? It's a spoon. Very good. It's a spoon. Can you name the material which is used? The spoon is all made up of which material? Yes, it's a metal spoon. Right. It's a metal spoon. Do you have spoon which is do you have spoon which are made up of some other material? You must have like if you go to when you were going to your normal school, so you have your lunch boxes. You take your lunch box with you, isn't it so? So do you take some spoon with you sometimes when you are when your mom has given you some spaghettis or some pasta? So do you take some spoon with you or some fork with you? Yes. So what is that material? Is it metal? Because metal, then you have to bring it back, but there is one other material of which the spoons are made up of, or these utensils are made up of, like spoon, forks, knives. Yes, that is plastic. It is another material, right? Okay, now another thing which I'm holding in my hand is a small sticky note. Now what is this bit of sticky note, do you think? What material is this? What type of a sticky note? Yes, it's a paper sticky note. So paper is another material. Yes, paper is another material. There are different things which are made from papers. You make so many different things in your art class which are made up of paper. You can make a paper fan. You can make a paper boat. You can make a paper flower, right? So there are different things which you can make. And what else you use paper for? Yes, to write. You have your notebooks which are all of paper. Isn't it so? Okay. Now, what is this thing I am wearing over here? It's my dupatta, you can say, right? It's my dupatta. So can you see what is this? What type of a material? Yes, it's a cloth. So cloth is another material, right? Yes. Okay. So there are some other things that you take with you, like when you are at home, you have different materials. Like what happens when you are at home and you drink water? In which thing you drink water? You drink water in your glass. So glass is another material which is made up of glass, which is not plastic. It is breakable. if you throw it on the floor, it's going to break because it's a glass, right? So glass is another material. So children, these are different types of materials that we have. It's a leather, it's metal, plastic, paper, cloth, and glass. So now this is what we are going to study about. This is the introductory lesson of different types of materials. Now I'm going to show you a video. Again, this video is our Edwell video. Our school people have made this video. You can easily watch this video if you go on the website or you go on our YouTube channel, then you can watch this video. Okay, you can see this video later on as well so that you can remember some of the things. It's very, very interesting and informative. Okay, so are you all ready to watch? There you go.
Hello children, today we will talk about material and how things are made from each material. There are many kinds of materials, like for example, glass. A glass is made out of glass, but there are many other things which can be made out of glass. It's a cup. This is a paper cup. A cup can be made out of paper, and paper, books, etc. are also made out of paper. So for that, the material is paper. And then we have plastic. Plastic is a very popular material. It can be used for utensils and a lot of other things like toys as well. And then you have buildings. Buildings are made out of concrete. Concrete buildings, it's very hard. It's a solid substance. And then a spoon. A spoon is made out of steel. There are many other things which are made out of steel as well. And then a tie. A tie is made out of cloth. Your shirt, your pants, your dresses, and so many other things are also made out of cloth. So there are many other materials as well. Let's learn.
So you saw how many different types of materials do we have? Yes, there are different materials, things which are made up of glass, right? You have your glass plates, you have your glasses, other things which are made up of containers. They are all serving dishes. They are all made up of glass. Then there are materials which is of plastic, as you have seen, plastic spoon, plastic utensils, plastic plates, right? Plus your plastic lunch boxes, right? Then there are materials which are the material of that is paper. You have seen the paper cups. You have paper plates that you take to your school or you use in different types of occasions, right? Then there was you have seen the material that is steel. As I have shown you, the spoon is also made up of steel. Yes, so there are other things which are made up of steel. Then there was, you can see the cloth, the clothes which you wear. That is another material. How it feels when you wear those clothes, right? You feel soft, you feel nice, right? Sometimes you wear warm clothes which are made up of wool, right? So that those are all different types of materials, right? Now let me share a presentation with you in which you will see that the different things which are made from different materials, right? All right, can you see my screen, children? Now here you can see the following things are made from wood. Like you can see these are wooden spoons, this is a wooden thing, these are wooden cabinets, right? And this is also wooden plate, wooden board. You can say these are different types of you can say puzzles which are made from wood. Then you have different these different papers, not papers, these are different things which are made from wood, right? Okay. especially the cupboards, the chest of drawers which you have in your home, they are all made from wood, right? The cabinets which you have. Now the following things are made from metal. Like I have shown you the spoon. Now you can see this is a string. It's a scissor. It's a butterfly. It's a hammer. These are all the things which are made from wood. There are very many other things also which are made from metal. These are just few examples for you. Then you have, these are plastic things. Like you can see, these are plastic balls which you use in your homes for decoration, or you can play with them as well. This is plastic bottle. These are plastic cups or different plastic things from which you have reused them. You have recycled them, and you have made all these different things in your art lesson, or which are related to art. Like these are different pots in which you have kept the plants, right? This is a plastic bottle which you can take to school. These are all plastic, you can say, pencils, and you have made these plastic bottles to make a holder, pencil holder. So you have reused them, these plastics, and you have utilized them, you have recycled them. Because they cannot break, you can easily use them, you can easily recycle them. Then you have these things are made from leather. You can say it's a leather bag, right? You have other leather utensils, things like that, the leather thing that you wear in a winter season. What's that? I hope I know all boys and girls, they love wearing that. Yes, it's leather jackets. You have leather jackets which keeps you warm in winter time. So you can also have different leather clothes, leather things like bags are there, wallets are there, other leather things are there. So these are all the different things that are made from different types of material, plastic, leather, metal, and then this was wood. You have wooden floors also in your homes. You have wooden things, wooden chest of drawers. You have wooden cupboards, wooden cabinets. Then you have other things which are made from wood. There are some toys also which are made from wood. Yes or no? Then you have the toys. And what type of toys do you have? Like I have told you, there are some toys which are made from wood, because previously when there was no other material available, so there were wooden toys. Wood was available, so there were people used to make toys from wood. What else? What other materials are used to make the toys? You have plastic toys. Yes, you have plastic toys which are easily to manage. You can easily play with them because they are not very heavy. They are not breakable. You can easily, the small children, the small kids, your small brothers and sisters can easily throw them, and it's not going to break. It's unbreakable, right? Otherwise, if on the other hand, if you give them something which is made of glass, it's going to break. It's going to harm them, so that is not good for them. So plastic is very useful for especially for making toys, as the children can easily play with those toys. They can easily enjoy playing with those toys. Yes. So now now I hope this part of the lesson is very clear, like in which I have explained you about different types of materials, about materials. Now comes the time for you to do the class task. And your class task is, you are going to look around your home, or your room in which you are sitting right now. And you are going to make a list of any objects which are in your room which are made from the same material. You understand? Like suppose if you have your wooden bed. So what are the other things which are made from that material, that is wood? So you can make a list of those. Okay, wooden things. If you have things which are related to plastic in your room, so you are going to make a list of plastic things. I want at least 3 names with 3 pictures. Either any material. It could be wood, it could be wooden, it could be plastic, it could be glass, it could be paper. If you have things which are related to, which are made from paper in your room, you can make a list of those things. Okay, so first heading, you will write down materials, and the question which I am going to write on my whiteboard. That question you are going to write it down, and you are going to make a list of those things which are made from of different materials. Okay, ready? So take out your notebooks and write down this question, which I am writing on my board. Question is, make a list of things in your room which are made from the same material. Okay, so you have to make a list of things in your room which are made from the same material. Got it? Written the question? Great. Now, I'm going to give you, let's say, 12 minutes for this task, and it's making, writing, and drawing. You have to draw the pictures, small pictures you can easily draw. Your time starts now. All right, can you show me and read out your things? Okay, starting from Saad. Wooden. Okay. You are made from, what are the things that are made, that are in your room that are made from wood? Your bed. Okay. Your table. All right. Your cupboard. Wow, great. Good job. Okay. Sarah, your turn. You have made things which are made from plastic. All right. Can you name them? Okay. Your plastic cup. You have plastic cup in your room. Okay. Your plastic, what? Scale. You can say your plastic scale. Very good. What else is made from plastic? What else is made from plastic? Plastic bottle. Very good. Good job. It means that today's task, that was material, is very, very clear to you all. I hope you all are going to remember what we did in the class today, because I'm going to ask you tomorrow in your next lesson. Okay, which is related to the different characteristics of material. Do the homework. I'll be posting that on portal. And don't forget to watch the Edual video, which is already there on YouTube channel. Okay? Alright, bye-bye. See you tomorrow, class.